What steps can I take to prevent my air conditioner from freezing up in the future?
Hello there, air conditioning users and enthusiasts. One of the most common issues we come across with air conditioning units is the problem of freezing up. Today, we're going to talk about the steps you can take to prevent this issue and keep your air conditioner running efficiently throughout the summer season.
Why does my air conditioner freeze up?
Before we delve into the preventive measures, let's understand the reasons behind your air conditioner freezing up. The primary causes include lack of airflow due to a dirty filter, low refrigerant, and faulty fan motors. Understanding these reasons will help you implement the solutions effectively.
How do I keep my air filter clean?
A dirty air filter can restrict airflow, causing the cooling coil to freeze. Regularly cleaning or replacing your air conditioner's filter is the first step in preventing your unit from freezing up. Depending on your use and the environment, you should clean or replace your filter every 1 to 3 months.
How can I maintain the right refrigerant level?
Low refrigerant levels can lower the pressure in your air conditioning system, causing it to freeze. Ensuring your system has the right amount of refrigerant is crucial. It is recommended to have a professional check your refrigerant levels during routine maintenance.
How can I keep my fan motor in check?
A faulty fan motor can lead to inadequate airflow. This may result in your air conditioner freezing up. Regularly checking the fan motor and addressing any issues immediately is important in maintaining your air conditioner's functionality.
What about regular maintenance?
General maintenance is key to preventing any HVAC issue, including freezing. Routine professional maintenance, ideally once a year, will help catch any potential problems early on and keep your unit functioning optimally. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. By staying on top of these areas, you can help avoid the headache of dealing with a frozen air conditioner and enjoy a cool, comfortable summer. Regular maintenance and attention to your air conditioner can save you time, money, and a lot of discomfort. We hope this guide helps you maintain your air conditioner effectively. Stay cool, and see you next time.